Looking to upgrade your Nissan sound system without the hassle? The amplifier integration harness is designed specifically for select Nissan models with a factory amplifier, offering a seamless way to bypass the stock amp while keeping your premium sound system intact. It's a simple solution that gets you clean power to 4 speakers without rewiring the entire system. What sets this harness apart is its precision fit and ease of use. At 204 inches long, it connects directly to your car's existing wiring with a 12-pin connector, making installation straightforward. No need to cut or splice wires, just plug it in and enjoy a clear, amplified sound experience. Plus, it's built to work perfectly with VW amplified speaker systems, ensuring compatibility and performance. Users love how this harness keeps things neat and professional. One reviewer called it the perfect choice for those who want a clean, reliable setup without permanent modifications. If you ever want to revert to the original factory setup, unplugging the harness is just as easy. The included extra wiring offers flexibility for various configurations, making it a smart pick for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. Beyond convenience, this harness comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, backing its quality and durability. That peace of mind matters when you're investing in your vehicle's audio system. Whether you're upgrading your factory sound or replacing a faulty amplifier, this harness delivers what you need without unnecessary complexity. If you're someone who values a tidy, efficient installation and wants to preserve your car's original wiring, this amplifier integration harness is worth a look. It's designed to simplify the upgrade process while maintaining excellent sound quality and system integrity. No guesswork, no mess, just straightforward performance. Ready to enhance your Nissan's audio without the fuss? Try the amplifier integration harness when you're ready to bypass your factory amp cleanly and confidently. It's a practical upgrade that keeps your premium sound system working smoothly and your installation hassle-free.